In this video, we're going to make Eastern Redbud jelly. You're going to need a lot of the redbud blossoms. We picked about a gallon of the blossoms in all. And you're going to just put those into boiling water equal to the amount of blossoms you have. In this case, a gallon of water, a gallon of blossoms, and make your tea. I allowed the blossoms to remain in the boiling water overnight, then strained out the plant material thoroughly, squeezing out all of the tea that I could. As you can see, allowing the blossoms to steep overnight removed all of the color and the flavor from those blossoms. Next, we're going to take that tea. We're going to add 2 boxes of Surjel to 7 cups of the tea, and we're going to heat that until it reaches a rolling boil and dissolves thoroughly. Then we're going to add, here it is, 13 cups of sugar and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and we're going to mix that until that's thoroughly dissolved and reaches a rolling boil. We then put that jelly into jars and put it into a water bath for 10 minutes to boil. Moved it from the water bath, and here you have it, beautiful Eastern Redbud jelly. Lovely floral flavor.